This tip is really about taking advantage of your temporary dimensions. So you want to get the settings of your walls or whatever it is you're sketching right, but when you're doing early concept work, it's much easier to actually just quickly sketch in the general shape of your building. It could be quite complicated. You can even add all the internal walls to this as well. I recommend that. It's a good way of doing it. You can adjust these with your temporary dimensions. If you don't like where the temporary dimensions sit, you can move the temporary dimensions to where you want them to be to put in the correct number. Alternatively, you can fully dimension the plan. You're probably going to have to dimension the plan anyway, so it's a good idea to get those dimensions in there, and now they also work as live dimensions to make that editing really quick and easy. It's a nice way to get things done efficiently.